In our first two videos on water activity measurement, I reviewed Rotronic's line of AW instrumentation and demonstrated the ease of testing using the HC2 AW USB probe with Rotronic's HW4 software and the use of the HP23 AW set. Today, I'm going to go into more detail on how to calibrate the popular HP23 AW portable water activity instrument set. The set consists of three main components: the HP23 AW handheld, the HC2 AW measuring probe, and the stainless steel sample holder. I would like to first review a few points regarding calibration and adjustment of the instrument. The moisture sensor used in the Rotronic AW system is one of the most stable sensors on the market today. The Rotronic sensor is used in many different and difficult applications, specifically due to its ability to stay stable over the long term. What is the long term? Depending on the application, months and years before the sensor needs adjustment. In AW measurement, calibration cycles will depend largely on your standard operating procedures, or SOPs. In standard practice, we would recommend a yearly calibration, but the cycle is up to the user. Enough of the background. Let's move on to performing a calibration. All Rotronic AW systems come with calibration solutions which are presented in single-use glass vials. Each pack of 5 vials comes with a calibration certificate detailing the important variables of the calibration solutions. Standard calibration points for the Rotronic AW probe are 0, 10, 35, 80, and 95% RH. When purchased, each AW probe is freshly calibrated and a calibration certificate is included. However, if all of the desired AW tests are at similar points, it is acceptable practice to simply bracket the test point with 2 calibration points. This all depends on the SOPs of your organization. The second important concept for the calibration of the Rotronic AW probes are the steps taken to perform the calibration. Unlike many measurement instruments where the calibration and adjustment of the measurement point is performed at the same time, Rotronic has separated this one step into 2 steps. This is for increased accuracy and for a true as-found reading. So, the first step is to collect all of the as-found calibration points and save each test point. The second step would be to apply the calibration points if desired. As with sample preparation, it is important that the instrument and the standards are at the same temperature. Nothing crazy here. A normal office or lab environment is fine. Just avoid direct sunlight and ventilation vents. To start the calibration, using a small sample cup, place one of the cloth discs into the sample cup. Tap the top half of the vial to ensure all the liquid is in the bottom half of the vial, and then break open the calibration vial. Here it is important to note that the vial is glass. Use safety gloves and safety glasses and break the vial open facing away from you. Empty all the liquid onto the cloth pad and dispose of the used vial properly. Each calibration solution should soak with the probe on the solution for a minimum of 45 minutes. While waiting, it is a good time to change the settings on the HP23 AW to ready the instrument for calibration. Using the HP23 AW instrument, press Menu, navigate to the AW Mode option on the first menu, press Enter, select Enable, and turn this selection to Off. Once the soak time has passed, it is time to check the point and acquire the calibration point. Press Menu again, navigate to the probe under calibration, probe 1 in this example, select HUMI Adjust, select Acquire Inter-Ref, select Reference, and enter the value of the humidity standard. Then move to the Acquire menu choice and press Enter twice. Operation Successful will appear and you are now finished with the first point. Repeat the above steps with each humidity value you wish to use for calibration. Once all points are required, and remember to give each point approximately 45 minutes to stabilize, you can move on to the adjust step if necessary. Apply the adjustment if any saved point varies from the reference by more than plus or minus 0.8% relative humidity. As you can see, the calibration of the HP23 AW instrument is simple and straightforward. The reliable and stable sensor used in the HP23 AW probe makes this instrument very low maintenance and will ensure many years of consistent performance. Contact Rotronic today for more detailed discussions on this product. We are available for a visit to your facility for a hands-on demonstration. Thank you.